Hi friends, I'm Tyagraj. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. In this session we are going to see how to backup or restore company data in Tally Prime application. Before going to the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. We are going to see reason for backup and restore of data, how to backup and restore company data in Tally Prime. Practically we are going to see. Finally, key points to remember. Now let's see reason for backup or restore of data. First and very important reason is technology fails, system crashes, or data corrupts, or any latest technology updates. Those cases you may lose your data. So before updating anything, so regularly or periodical interval basis, you need to take a backup. You need to take up backup of multiple copies, internal drive as well as external storage device. Let's see other reason. For future reference, once finalize the account, we will take the backup, or periodical interval wise we will take a backup. That data will send to auditor for tax filing purpose, or we will use it for financial analysis or decision making. Other reason is to minimize the unexpected losses. Due to data corruption, some transactions get deleted, or due to system crash, some data you lost. If you are taking data backup regularly or periodical interval, you can able to minimize your unexpected loss. And other reason, to reduce that human error or human resource cost. Everyone will make a mistake while posting the transaction, or after posting the transaction they may modify that original value. Let's see backup procedure in Tally Prime application. Here in select company screen, the list of companies listed here, only one company is created under E drive Tally Prime new data folder, because traders folder number is 10001 for the financial 1st April to 31st March 2021. If you want to take the backup, in the top menu bar, click on data, or you can use shortcut key Alt Y. Backup and restore option listed in this data menu. Click on backup. In the backup screen, we need to define the destination where you are going to take the backup. By default showing the E drive BKP folder, because we are already predefined that folder path. If you want to change the folder path, manually we can able to define it by clicking on specify path. Drive and data folder name manually we need to enter in this screen, or we can able to select that particular drive and browse that data backup folder path and click on enter. Again we are selected here E drive BKP. While taking the backup, be specific which date you are going to take the backup. Otherwise, it will trying to overwrite that existing folder. I already took the backup because traders 10001. Once enter, it will show you warning message. The current company we already took the backup, so you want to overwrite the backup? Yes or no option. Click on no. Click on backspace. We are not going to overwrite that existing data backup. We are going to define the specific which month we are going to take the backup. E drive backup folder, inside that we are going to define that particular month. I am going to define here December month, DEC. Click on backspace. Now we need to specify the which date we are going to take the backup. While clicking on enter, it is asking there is no folder you want to create. Click on yes. Now click on enter and select that path, backup path, destination, and select that company, which company you are going to take the backup. Click on end of list, accept. Backup is done for that particular company successfully. If you want to see, directly open that particular folder, E drive backup December on particular date, that tbk.900 10001 folder is saved. This is a compressed backup format. If you want to predefine that data backup path, get into data, there is a data configure. We can select manually, or we can select that particular drive folder location where exactly you want to take the backup. Otherwise, one more option, the right hand side under F1 help, click on About option. Under About, there is an existing company backup. There also we can able to predefine that data backup location. Let's see one more method how to take the backup. There's a simple method. Open that particular tally prime data folder. We are going to select the E drive tally prime data folder. We are going to copy that company folder and we are going to paste it in the December particular date folder. Here we can able to see there is a two backup files there. One is in the folder format, another one is TBK format. Folder format just we need to do copy pasting. Tally backup format is tbk.900. Now let's see restore procedure in Tally Prime application. Once open the Tally Prime application, if you want to restore in case if your data lost or you want to restore that hold backup, click on data, click on restore option. There you need to select the destination where you are going to restore the data. Inside that Tally Prime data folder only we are going to save it. Select that data backup location. We are going to select that particular data backup location, which data we are going to restore it. Then select that particular company and click on enter. Only one company we took a backup. We want to restore means click on end of list. Before restoring data, you need to make sure you should not overwrite that a previous company folder. It will give a warning message. Do you want to overwrite that existing folder or not? Make it no. Open that particular Tally Prime data folder. Click on Windows R or open run bar. There type that data location. In that the particular company folder, you can rename it or you can move to another drive. Once refresh that data location, you can able to see instead of company name, the folder only display in this screen. Click on data, click on restore option, select that backup location where exactly you took a backup. Destination by default Tally Prime new data folder where you are going to restore it. Select that particular company, click on end of list and accept now. Once refresh that data location, you can able to see the company name is listing and two other company data folder is display in this screen. In case if you took company data backup in folder format, those cases you need to copy that data backup folder and paste it inside the data folder. Before pasting, make sure you should not overwrite that existing company folder. Now let's see key points to remember. We have to take a backup regularly or periodical interval basis based on your volume of data. And while taking backup, take multiple copy of the data backup, internal as well as external drive. Don't overwrite that data folder or file while restoring or backup. While taking company data backup, close that particular company server as well as all the client system. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this knowledge sharing session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.